Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Monday.com for project management. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll need to create your project. Click on the New button in the top right corner and select Project. Now name your project and hit Create. The reason we do this is to establish a dedicated space where all the tasks, timelines, and team members related to this project will be housed. The next step is to add tasks. Click on the Add button and write your task in the box that appears. Assign it to a team member and put a due date. This helps us because it clearly outlines what needs to be done, by whom, and when. Now that we've done that, let's set up a timeline or a Gantt chart. Go to the Add View button, select Timeline or Gantt, and customize it to suit your project. It's vital to do this, as it allows you to visualize your project's timeline and see if there are any conflicts or bottlenecks. Moving on, it's time to automate routine tasks. Click on the Automate button, choose a trigger, say when a status changes, and select an action, like send an email. This step is important as it saves time by eliminating manual repetitive tasks and helps to maintain consistency in the project. Next up, let's monitor your project's progress. Use the dashboard feature to get a quick overview of your project's status. You can customize this dashboard with widgets that show exactly what you want to track. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're on track and that there are no surprises at the end of the project. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Monday.com for project management. So start creating, automating, and monitoring your projects efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.